Okay, would you please introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Hi, good afternoon, ma'am and sir. I'm Kathleen Jane Akaak. I'm 34 years old. I have one kid. He is 9 years old, and I have two siblings, one brother and sister, one sister.
Okay, so what is your educational background?
I am graduate high school.
High school. So do you have experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
In Hong Kong.
How long did you work in Hong Kong?
9 months only, ma'am.
So what are your duties and responsibilities?
Taking care of elderly, ma'am.
Okay, how old is the elderly?
92 years old.
Okay, so how many are they in the family?
There are two members of the family.
So who is the other member?
72 years old, ma'am. It's
Her
female.
son?
No,
Her
her
brother?
no, her
What you,
no
daughter?
daughter.
Son?
Yes. Her
Okay,
daughter.
so her daughter is 72 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how about in Saudi Arabia? How long did you work?
1 year and 6 months.
Okay, so what is your duties? What are your duties and responsibility?
Household works, ma'am, like cleaning, ironing, and cleaning their houses.
Okay, so how old is the children that you take care?
1 year old.
1 year old. So what do you prefer to take care, newborn or children?
It's okay, ma'am. Newborn and children.
So if your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with baby, children, and elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with another helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of dog or cat?
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you willing to take care of disabled?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol or smoke
No,
regularly?
ma'am.
Do you eat pork?
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
you have tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have vision problems?
No,
Do you
ma'am.
hold any certificate like first aid, caregiver, nurse, and babysitter?
No, ma'am.
So have you any prolonged illnesses undergone surgery?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever involved in any criminal labor police cases?
No, ma'am.
So why do you want to work again in Hong Kong?
Because they have high salary, and I want to work again in Hong Kong because I want to support my families and the needs of my kid.
Okay, thank
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.